So, today I've got a little unboxing, which is interesting. It's not the sort of thing I do. But I thought, as I've got time and stuff, and obviously package, I thought I would make a video. Let's get that out. Oh, it's wrapped in loads of stuff. I need to get my scissors, which happen to be quite near me. What's this wrapped in? It's weird. Hexagonal box. Yeah, I've been waiting for this. This is, it's so cool. I don't really care much about this box. Oops. I did not mean to do that. Yeah, sorry. So weird. I just want to get it open. Oh, look. Wow, that's heavy. Wow. What do we have in the bubble wrap? You can sort of see the colour peeking through. Actually, I don't know if you see that on camera, but I can certainly see it in person. Oh, I've always wanted this. Let's get my scissors out of the way. I shall not be needing them. Ooh, it's hard to get into. That one. Yeah. Oh, it's starting to reveal itself. Yes, it's the correct bottom. That's good. Oh my god. I'm not sure if it's supposed to be this big. But, yeah, mine seems to be a little bit too big. Oh my god. What? Oh wow, that looks amazing. You seeing this? It looks a bit too... Oh, that's not to my camera. It looks a little bit too large. I'm not sure, sort of hand-ish shape. I'm not sure how large they're supposed to be, but as you can see, it is a paperweight that was seen on the Tardis. I really like the colour of that. Should we see if we can get closely into there? And we can spin it around. I can turn that light off. Oh, I'll turn on different light. I'm not sure if that did anything. Take it over here. Oh yeah. That's nice. That's really nice. Oh, that's beautiful. It's yeah, there's on the bottom. I reckon it's a bit too big, but that's alright. I just really like that. I was expecting it to be I was literally expecting it to be this size. It dwarfs that. Yeah, literally I was using this little ball before it, which I think is more to the size. I don't know. I just don't know about the sizing. Sorry about that, gold. But, oh wow. Wow. There you go. It's nice. Anyway, hope you enjoyed this unboxing. Please leave a like and subscribe for more content just like this. Sorry about the cold, but yeah.